Have you ever heard the term digital marketing and just kind of nodded along, even if you weren't totally sure what it meant? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to cut through all the jargon and make this whole world super simple and clear. Okay, let's get into it.
You know, it really all boils down to this one simple question you see on the screen. It's in Hindi, Apna business online kaise badhaye, which means, how do I grow my business online? That's it. That's the problem we're here to talk about.
But before we can get to the how, we've got to understand the where. So, first things first, let's zoom out and take a look at the massive, connected playground where all of this happens. Welcome to the digital world.
So what exactly is this digital world? Just think of it as the entire online universe. It's the internet, yeah, but it's also the smartphone that's probably in your hand right now, it's social media apps like Instagram and Facebook, and it's search engines like Google. This is the new Main Street, the new town square where businesses and customers are hanging out 24/7.
Okay, so now that we've got the lay of the land, let's tackle the main event. What is digital marketing, really? Don't worry, we're about to make this incredibly simple. No confusing jargon, I promise.
The official textbook definition is pretty straightforward. It's all about promoting stuff. Products, services, you name it, using digital tools to connect with people. And that word connect is so important. It's not just about selling. It's about actually building relationships online.
And this quote on the screen just nails it. It's in Hindi, and what it says is basically this. When a business promotes its product or service using online platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, email, or its website, that's called digital marketing. See? That's all it is. It's just doing marketing where the people actually are, which is online.
And here's a perfect real-world example. Think about it. You're scrolling through Instagram, you see a cool ad for a t-shirt, you tap on it, and boom, you're on their website. You just experienced digital marketing from the customer side. That brand used a digital channel to reach you and pull you into their world. That's the whole game right there. Now, to really understand why digital is such a big deal, it helps to put it side by side with the old way of doing things. So let's take a look at the old school versus the new school.
So the difference is just massive. Traditional marketing, TV ads, billboards, it's like shouting with a megaphone to a giant random crowd. You're just blasting a message out and hoping the right people hear it. Digital, on the other hand, is the total opposite. It's like having a quiet, personal, two-way conversation, but only with the people who are actually interested in what you have to say.
And if we break it down by the numbers, the difference is just staggering. Look at the cost. Digital is so much more affordable. And your reach, you can go global, or you can get super specific and target people in just one neighborhood. But here's the real game changer: measurement. With digital, you know instantly what's working and what's not, all based on real, solid data.
Okay, so we get it. Digital is powerful. But you can't just start posting randomly and expect magic to happen. You need a plan. You need a blueprint for what you're trying to build online. In other words, you need a strategy.
A really good strategy just comes down to answering 5 basic questions. 1. Who are you trying to talk to? 2. Where do those people hang out online? 3. What are you going to say to get their attention? 4. How much are you going to spend? And 5, the big one. How are you going to know if any of it actually worked? It's a clear roadmap.
Seriously, if you remember just one thing about strategy, make it this. This is the secret sauce. The entire goal is to get these 3 things perfectly aligned. Get this right and you're golden.
So we've covered the what and the how. But now we get to the most important question of all, the why. Why is this stuff so absolutely crucial for any business today? Why should you care?
The advantages are just huge. A tiny little shop in one city can suddenly sell to someone on the other side of the planet. It costs way less than a big newspaper or TV ad campaign. You can make your marketing feel personal, like it was made just for one person. And, like we said, you get results back instantly.
Let's just park on this one for a second, because this changes everything. Real-time results means you're not guessing anymore. You can launch a campaign in the morning and know by lunchtime if it's working or not. That means you can stop wasting money on what's failing and put more fuel on the fire of what's succeeding right away.
And that really brings us to the final, most important point of all. The real revolution isn't just about being online. It's about being smarter. It's about using data to make intelligent decisions that help you grow your business in a way that just wasn't possible before.
So you've got the blueprint now, and this last question on the screen is for you. Aapka pehla digital marketing step kya hoga? It's asking, what will your first digital marketing step be? Are you going to figure out who your audience is, or maybe just start exploring a platform like Instagram? The journey starts with that first step.